Pullup RPE helps you see if you are training hard enough. By analyzing your speed when you do pull-ups, it estimates how many more repetitions you could have done in the same set. Personally, my pull-up numbers stalled after reaching sets of 10. I wanted a better way to estimate if I was training close to failure or not, and came across a video by Nippard on using velocity loss to estimate RPE. Jeff uses video editing to determine rep times, but after 3 minutes in iMovie, I knew this method was probably worse than just using a stopwatch. That's why I built Pullup RPE. Pull-ups are one of my favorite exercises, and understanding my RPE will help me reach my goal of 16 in a row. To get started, simply record a video of you doing pull-ups and trim it. Then, upload your video to the web app. The status messages will update as the video is uploaded and analyzed. After analyzing your video, the results are updated below. You can take a look at the colored points on the graph to see how the web app analyzed your pull-ups. Pullup RPE is currently hosted at pullup.pythonanywhere.com. It works on both mobile and PC. Check out my other video for more information on the code behind Pullup RPE.